Good day everyone, I'm Denver Ementera, but for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Pareto chart. Assignment number 1, Pareto chart. How to make a Pareto chart. So in the restaurant, there are complaints. First complaints is overpriced. Count 789. Small portion counts 621. Wait time counts 109. Food is tasted counts 65. No atmosphere counts 45. Not clean counts 30. Too noisy counts 27. Food is salty 15 counts 15. Unfriendly staff counts 12. Food not fresh counts 9. So this is the complaints in a restaurant. To make a Pareto chart, you need to arrange all the complaints number into the highest to the lower. So as you can see, I already arranged it. Cumulative counts calculate by prognosy by adding the count of each complaint category to the most frequency to the less frequency. So example is overprice. Counts is 785 plus 621 equals 1,410. Next is frequent overprice, small portion on wait time. So 885, 621, 109 equals 1,519. And so on, just add progress siya, magpatuloy na kag-add niya, ito makuha mo ni siya. Relative percentage. So, calculated by dividing all the complaint numbers by the total of number of complaints, then multiply by 100. So for example, overprice 785 divide 1,722 times 100 equals 45.82 or 8. Then next is overprice plus small portion divide 1,722 equals 81.9, and continues to the each category of the complaint. This is the Pareto chart na as you can see mo ang graph sa Pareto chart. Pinakataas na ng complaints is the overprice 789. Pinakataas siya pinakataas na bar kaya siya may pinakatako ka ng complaints, taas of number of complaints. Then next is small portion 621, wait time 109, food is tasteless 65, no atmosphere 45, not clean 30, too noisy 27, food is salty 15, unfriendly staff 12, and food not fresh is 9. So muna ang bar sa Pareto chart. Then mostly ang frequency ay mostly ang cumulative percentage. So muna ang 45.82, 81, then so on, makakot siya sa 100%. Then ang purpose po ani is sa Pareto chart is kanang may balaan ang important na set of factors o kanang kanang important din ma-improve ang isa ka restaurant na walay complaints. And thank you.